Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have the latest addition to my collection, an Assa Ruko 2, which I got from Sir Stenzi on the UK Locksport forum. Been after one for a while, very nice lock. He did say this was a little bit easy to pick, it's only the 5-pinner and it was all standard pins. And he was right, but luckily enough he also sent me some Assa top pins, so I've swapped all those over. So it now has the Assa pins in it, which make it a lot more tricky. So all works nicely. Key bitting isn't particularly challenging, but the Assa pins do make a difference. So let's get it in the vise and see how we get on. So hopefully about there should do it. I'm just going to stick that in the bottom there, protect the bottom. We use light tension, or lightish. And this Barrow's SS Dev hook. Start at the front. 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3. Right, little click out of 3. And a little click out of 4. And a click out of 5. 1, nothing, click out of 2, 3, tiny extra little click out of 4, and a couple of little clicks out of 5. One's feeling like it's starting to bind. Not sure if it is or not. It's a bit awkward behind the tension wrench. Right. And click out of 2 there. Right, that time we got a click out of 1 and a very slight movement on the core. And I'm getting counter rotation on 1 and another click, that was it. 5, little click out of 4, 3, 2, 1. One definitely feels set. There's just 2, 3. Right, I'll click out of 4 and lost the full set. Now 5's gone springy. And 1. I think we've overset 4 now. Let's try that. Click on 3. Click on 4. 2 clicks on 5. Nothing on 1, click on 2, 3, 4, 5, click on 5, 1, click, 2, and there we go, open. get this vise out of the way and have a quick look at these pins. That's better. So, and if nobody else has gutted one of these before, I think some of them are like this, some are fairly normal. But this one, we have the screw in there. Careful that the cord doesn't drop out. Let's try and get that screw out. These are the original top pins that I took out. But then what we have is nothing holding the springs in at the top. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the cord comes out, and then we're still locked up, so then we can just drop the top pins out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have this little clip at the back. And the cord comes out. And we have, I haven't actually looked at these yet. Standard, 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 and a standard. Get those the right way round. And I can't see anything in the core. Or anything in the Bible. So, just have a quick look. You can see there, we have the original pins and the Assa pins. All nice shiny brand new Assas. They do make it quite a bit more challenging. So, there we go. The Assa Ruko 2, all done. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.